हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। कल हमने शेक्सपियर का प्ले मैकबेथ की समरी मेन आइडिया ये डिस्कस किया था। उसी के कंटिन्यूएशन में सीन वाइज जो मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन कर रही थी उसी को मैं शुरू कर रही हूँ। हमने यहाँ तक पढ़ा था कि बैंको और मैकबेथ they are returning from battle and they are victorious. King Duncan is very happy by their victory. Now, at Duncan's palace and places force, we read this. There is celebration because of the victory. Scene 5. This scene opens in a room of Macbeth's castle at Inverness, where Lady Macbeth is seen reading a letter which her husband Macbeth, telling of the witch's prophecy, had sent to her. Macbeth ने एक लेटर भेजा अपनी वाइफ को और उसमें उसने जो विचेस की प्रोफेसी है उसको बताया। Now, because Lady Macbeth is evil mind, immediately negativity comes in her mind and she plans something negative that becomes ill fate for Macbeth. Macbeth के लिए एक डूम डेथ की ओर ये आइडिया लेडी मैकबेथ का ले गया। शी इज एम्बिशियस, लेडी मैकबेथ इज एम्बिशियस far more than her husband, and she is determined that he will be encouraged in every way possible to reach the kingship promised him by witches. As soon as she reads that letter of Macbeth, in which he wrote about witches and the prophecy of witches, immediately she plans and she desires, because she was ambitious, that yes, Macbeth will sit on the throne anyhow, by any means. He'll have to sit. And natural that though Macbeth was very good for King Duncan, but King Duncan is murdered by him. Now in next scenes, scene 6, scene 7. Scene 6, Macbeth's castle, where King Duncan with his attendants has arrived. Now they arrange a party, they arrange a dinner at Macbeth's castle where King Duncan comes. And King Duncan never thinks that something wrong is going to happen to him. Lady Macbeth appears, and in reply to the greetings of Duncan, she says whatever service is being done by her and her husband Macbeth is indeed very small when compared with the honor which Duncan shows them by coming there. Just see, by words, she doesn't show that what they are going to do. Scene 7 opens in Macbeth's castle. Shortly after the opening of the scene, we meet Macbeth. He is all alone. Now, in scene 6, Duncan is so much happy and he shows his gratitude to Macbeth and Lady Macbeth. But the king is eager to meet Macbeth, who had ridden quickly ahead of him. So he asked the lady to conduct him to Macbeth, his host. Now, scene 7, soliloquy. Soliloquy, a person, what he thinks, he speaks it, but audience they don't listen to it. That is called soliloquy. Soliloquy में ये बताया कि मैकबेथ क्या करने वाला है, वो ऐसा सोच रहा है. But what happens? The crime which Macbeth is going to do, and the crime of murdering King Duncan, who used to favor Macbeth, who conferred the title of Thane of Cawdor upon him, he was murdered by Macbeth. But soliloquy, in his soliloquy, Macbeth speaks what he is going to do. After that, scene Act 2, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and scene 4 scenes are there. What I'll do tomorrow? Today I have shortage of time. Tomorrow I'll give you summary of it and I'll explain it to you scene wise. 4 scenes are there. Meanwhile, students, try to read what I have given you yesterday and in my previous lectures. Try to understand it, and if any query, if any problem, then please come and ask me. Okay, thank you.